Hello, I'm Genuine Nard, named after the oil poured out on Jesus' feet in the Bible. And this is my series on everything I've learned since my big chop on growing my natural hair. So one of the things I've talked about is getting consistent with your wash days. But you also have to be consistent every day. You feed your body every day. It's important that you feed and nourish your hair every day. How do you feed and nourish your hair without touching it? This next clip will explain to you how that's done. I hate to admit this, but I used to comb my hair in traffic on the way to work. My hair would be combed, and my comb would be full of my hair. Until I made changes, nothing got better. Now, if you do this too, please, for heaven's sake, stop. Now my alarm goes off, and I know it's time to treat my hair. I sped this up, but I usually finish before the song ends. I spray my tricked out rice water to hydrate, and my everything oil is to seal. I do this every day at the same time. First, I hydrate, then I seal. In the winter, I use an extra coat of my whipped winterizing cream about once a week. Just warm it up in my hands, and I let it do its job. All of these recipes are in the series, and the nutrients and strengtheners and stimulants in these three mixes both penetrate and protect my hair. I tie it up, and there's very little chance for damage. Wednesdays are different. I usually will wash my hair before bed on Wednesday nights. Now I still hydrate, and I also seal like normal. But I take a little minute after I seal and protect my hair to give myself a deep scalp massage. Now, I used to do this by hand, but I got this great little amazing massager on Amazon as a gift to myself. This really works wonders, and it relaxes my whole body. Before the song ends, I'm still finished, and my scalp feels relaxed and it's ready to be washed. So again, I pull it back, I use my trusty tie, I'm ready for my day. Well, once I put my glasses on. It's already Thursday, almost the weekend. I keep my hair in a protective style 95% of the time. The key to this working is a protective style that doesn't need a lot of maintenance and to be consistent. I schedule 3 minutes every day for my hair. That's a lot less time and stress than doing it in traffic. And because it's quick and the music is fun, it's an easy way to train myself into this great new habit. Pop it up, and I'm done. Before I blink, it's Friday. Yay! Now, if I need to go somewhere after work, I can quickly pop on a wig. It's instantly styled and it's drama-free. So, spray, hydrate, pull it back up, and boom, it's the weekend. I hope you have fun creating good new habits that improve your life. So that's it. It's really simple, but you're going to have to formulate a good new habit in how you treat your hair. So I want to take a second at the conclusion of this video to talk about habits. I set this one to music for two reasons. One, I'm learning how to use this editing software as I'm doing these videos, so thank you for your patience with me. We're learning together. And also the second reason is that it is easy to replace an old habit with a new habit if the new habit is more fun. So when you are trying to retrain your brain to do things differently, make it more fun. Add music or dance or get yourself a strobe light and put it in your bathroom. I know that sounds strange, but it does make it a lot more fun. And also make it convenient. If you noticed in those clips, I didn't look for my oil, I didn't look for my rice water. They are in their place somewhere very convenient so that all I have to do is when I hear that alarm, the little music goes off and I know the next step is to turn, get my rice water, get my oil, and enjoy the process of caring for my hair. So I do want this to become a good new habit, learning to care for yourself in the same amount of time you're probably using on your grooming already. So please incorporate some of these ideas. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Thank you again for watching. I would love to hear your success stories in the comments. You can click the red and subscribe to find all the videos in this series. Click here and check out these other cool videos, and click the bell to get weekly reminders when I post something new.